Hi, I'm Trisha Ashby with Move Utah Real Estate, and we're here at our beautiful listing in vibrant Daybreak, located in South Jordan, Utah. This home has over 4,300 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. And one of the things you're gonna love about it is it's got its own separate apartment in the basement with its own entrance, laundry facilities, a full bathroom, and a full kitchen and bedroom. I can't wait to show you this home. Come check it out. One of the key features of this home is this gorgeous backyard. It's private and it has a beautiful patio, wonderful covered deck area. I think you're gonna love it. Come check it out. I'm Trisha Ashby with Move Utah Real Estate. If you'd like to schedule an appointment to see this beautiful home, please reach out to us at the information below.